you waiting for your CBSE results? Anxious to see how your efforts have paid off? Well, the wait is almost over. The CBSE Class 10 and Class 12 results for 2024 will soon be announced. While the exact date remains an exciting mystery, speculation hints towards the second Friday of May. Now, you might be wondering, how do I check my results? The process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, you need to head over to the official CBSE website. This is where all the magic happens. The website you're looking for is cbseresults.nic.in. Once you're there, you'll find a link that will take you directly to the results page. While on the results page, you'll need to input some details. These typically include your roll number, school number, and center number. These details are crucial, so make sure you have them handy. Upon entering these details, your results will be displayed on the screen. But what if you're not in a position to access the internet? Fear not. CBSE has got you covered. They offer an SMS service that allows you to check your results. Simply send an SMS in the format CBS 12 or CBS 10 to 773829999. Remember to replace with your actual roll number. Lastly, there's the DigiLocker facility. This is a government initiative aimed at providing an easy and secure way to store important documents online. You can access your CBSE results here too. All you need to do is download the DigiLocker app, sign in, and navigate to the education section. There, you'll find a link to your CBSE results. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning the passing criteria for the CBSE boards. To pass, you need to score a minimum of 33% in each subject and overall. The exams were conducted between February 15th, 2024 and April 2nd, 2024. In conclusion, checking your CBSE results is a straightforward process. Whether you choose to use the official website, SMS service, or DigiLocker facility, rest assured that your results are just a few clicks or taps away. Remember, the passing mark is 33%, and the results are expected to be announced around the second Friday of May. Good luck, and may your efforts be rewarded.